Do you want to pair your MI band, any MI band, then follow this video. First of all, install the app Zap Live from the Play Store or App Store and open the app. Now sign up or sign in with your Google account. First time sign in will take some time. Just wait for a moment. Now click on agree and link. This will land us to the app homepage. Click on got it. Now turn on the location. This app will need location as well as Bluetooth. So turn it on. Click on only this time. I don't want to share my phone logs. So I will click don't allow. I don't want to share my contacts as well. Don't allow. And I will allow this nearby connectivity. I will click on don't allow for manage phone call as well. If the location is not turned on, click on go to settings. Now turn on the location access. Go back and cancel this one or allow DND for this app. Go to settings, scroll down till you find the app. Select Zap Live and allow do not disturb. Click on allow. Now go back. Now click on top plus button to add the band. We will select the band. Click on agree. Got it? While using the app. Okay, we don't have the QR code, so we will select the second option. The band has no QR code. And this will search our nearest band. Keep the band near to the phone. It will take some time. Okay, let me open the camera and show you the band. So I have to press the tab button once to pair the device. Okay, the paired successfully. Now my band is connected with the Zap Live and it shows the time as well. Now go back to the Zap Live, activate, OK. So this will pair my MI band 3. It will take some time. So activated device successfully. My restoring the data. I have already connected earlier, so it's restoring my earlier data. Now our band is successfully paired. If you have any questions, please put it under the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to skool.online channel. Thank you.